The Volvo XC60 isn't the first SUV that comes to mind when you think about sport ins and performance. But that didn't stop German tuner Heico Sportiv from offering a complete set of visual modifications for the recently facelifted Swedish model. At the front, there are 5-part additions on the bumper intakes, flaps, and splitter, together with a Heico emblem on the grille. These are combined with front and rear fender extensions, and are redesigned rear skirt housing the quad exhaust pipes. These are combined with front and rear fender extensions, and are redesigned rear skirt housing the quad exhaust pipes. The dynamic design is rounded off by the 21-inch or 22 inches alloy wheels by Volution, shod in wider performance tires, and hiding a set of upgraded brakes behind them. For a more aggressive stance, the tuner is offering 15mm spacers and a special electronic module that lowers the stock adaptive air suspension by 30mm and by a further 10 to 40mm when parked for easier egress. Furthermore, every XC60 variant can benefit from the optional max increase option, taking the 180 km/h speed limiter up to 230 km/h. Other options include a high-performance intercooler, a sports air filter, and a speed pedal tuning. Of course, the most fitting engine option for this bodykit would be the flagship XC60 T8, with the plug-in hybrid system producing a combined 455 horsepower and 709 Nm of torque right from the factory. All of the modifications comply with the latest pedestrian protection guidelines and do not interfere with the vehicle's sensors and ADAS systems. Inside owners can get an ICE Sports steering wheel, aluminum pedals, velour floor mats, and a set of Heico emblems for the start button, the printed driving mode selector, and the climate vents. Similar options are offered for the pre-facelift XC60 models, minus the front bumper. Thankfully, the tuner didn't limit the options to visual and chassis mods. The Emotion Power upgrade software increases the output of the base spec Wallader turbo diesel from the stock 188 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque to a more respectable 217 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque. The increased power is noticeable in the 0 to 100 km/h acceleration, which is now completed in 9.4 seconds, or 1 second faster than stock, and in the 80 to 160 km/h that takes 17.7 seconds, a 3.5 second improvement.